The Samsung Galaxy 23 features a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, and an armor aluminum frame, making it both stylish and durable. It has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, making it a great choice for those who want a phone that can withstand the elements. The OnePlus 11 features a Gorilla Glass 5 back panel and a Gorilla Glass Victus for the display, with an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. In terms of size and weight, the Samsung Galaxy 23 measures 146.3 by 70.8 by 7.62 mm and weighs 168.1 g, while the OnePlus 11 measures 163.1 by 74.1 by 8.5 mm and weighs 205 g. The Samsung Galaxy 23 boasts a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity-O display with FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 425 ppi. With a peak brightness of 1750 nits and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9, it's a great choice for outdoor use or for watching videos and playing games. The OnePlus 11 features a larger 6.7-inch Super Fluid AMOLED LTPO 3.0 display with QHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 525 ppi. It has a peak brightness of 1300 nits and an aspect ratio of 20.1:9. Both the Samsung Galaxy 23 and the OnePlus 11 are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, offering fast and smooth performance for a wide range of tasks. The Samsung Galaxy 23 comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage, while the OnePlus 11 comes with 8GB or 16GB of RAM and 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of storage. The Samsung Galaxy 23 has a 50MP wide camera with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical and 30x space zoom. It also supports 8K video recording at 30 fps, 4K video recording at 60 fps, and FHD video recording at 120 fps, as well as 960 fps super slow-mo. The selfie camera is a 12MP with 2PD AF and f2.2. The OnePlus 11 has a 50MP wide camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP telephoto camera. It also supports 8K video recording at 24 fps, 4K video recording at 60 fps, and 1080p video recording at 240 fps. The selfie camera is a 16MP with f2.5. The Samsung Galaxy 23 has a 3900 mAh battery with 25W wired charging and up to 15W wireless charging, as well as wireless PowerShare. The OnePlus 11 has a larger 5000 mAh battery with 80W wired fast charging, but no wireless charging. Both phones support 5G sub-6/mmWave and LTE, as well as Wi-Fi 6E for the Samsung Galaxy 23 and Wi-Fi 7 for the OnePlus 11. The Samsung Galaxy 23 is available in Phantom Black, Cream, and Green, and starts at $799. The OnePlus 11 is available in Titan Black and Eternal Green, and starts at $699.